How's it going, guys? In today's video, we'll be discussing a product called Coolify by a brand called Toros in 2021. We've put together its functionality and what to love on this product for you and other curious people. Whether it's performance, price, and overall uses, we've got you covered in this video. Coolify is a portable air conditioner neck fan that looks like a headphones. With semiconductor refrigeration technology to produce instant cooling. The box comes with a Coolify, a manual, USB cable, and carrying bag. Perfect for indoor and outdoor activities and up to 8 hours with 3 different fan modes. That is all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell icon. See you in the next video.